Let's dive in the latest property news from Indian market. Creedy highlights concerns over increased housing costs. Real estate developers, represented by Creedy, have appealed to the government to reconsider the proposed 18% goods and services tax on floor space index and additional FSI charges paid to local authorities. Creedy has raised concerns that this levy could significantly increase project costs, leading to a 10% hike in housing prices nationwide. In a letter to Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, Creedy President Boman Irani stressed that FSI charges form a critical part of project expenses. He warned that introducing GST on these charges could deter housing supply and demand due to the additional financial burden on developers and buyers. We strongly urge the government to exempt FSI charges from GST, Irani stated. Economic viability at stake. The proposed GST levy is expected to have far-reaching consequences on both housing supply and affordability. Developers argue that the additional financial pressure could result in stalled projects and jeopardize home buyers' investments. Affordable housing, already facing challenges from rising raw material costs, is particularly at risk. According to Creedy, adding GST on FSI premiums would make such projects economically unviable, potentially derailing the government's Housing for All by 2024 initiative. Home buyers could see property prices increase by 7 to 10% as a result. Impact on middle-class buyers. The middle-class segment, which accounts for 70% of total home buyers, would bear the brunt of the price surge. Creedy also pointed out that developers are excluded from claiming input tax credits under GST, leading to double taxation and further cost escalation. The issue is expected to be discussed at the upcoming 55th GST Council meeting in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Developers are hopeful that their concerns will prompt the government to reconsider the levy to safeguard housing affordability and industry growth. We value your input. Your feedback shapes our content. Thanks for watching Pinwest TV.